Yeah, and honestly, I wish there was a simpler way for the layperson to do this, but there kind of isn't.
Mhm.
So with the PECOS acronym or the PECOS model, you're looking at what population was studied, what's the intervention, like what was the treatment that was done, what are the
Mhm.
what was the experimental condition going on. So population, intervention, what was that intervention like, that, let's say protein supplementation, what was it compared with?
Mhm.
Like what was the placebo arm? What did that comparator arm look like? And the O is what is the outcome? Like what effect are we anticipating?
Mhm.
And then S is what type of study was it? What designed study was it?
Mhm.
So with those, the PECOS acronym, really the biggest snags are going to happen right here at the P,
Mhm.
at the level of the population.
Yeah.
Was it a human population? Number one. So if it wasn't a rodent population and in fact was a human population, then what kind of humans are we looking at?
Mhm.
Are we looking at sedentary, untrained, straight off the couch? Are we looking at more athletic type of subjects, trained subjects, leaner subjects? All of those things make a difference. And then ICOS, the study type. Study type is another big snag in that observation or in your assessment of whether the study has any sort of relevance and stuff.
Mhm.
And that would be, was it a short-term response study
Mhm.
where you're looking at the effects of whatever agent it is over the course of a few hours or 24 hours? Or did you actually drag the experiment out over a period of weeks or months where you can look at bigger changes in, like, for example, body composition? So even like in the protein realm, you can look at short-term muscle protein synthesis response in a given meal. Okay, great, fine. But what really matters is, okay, what happens with changes in body composition and or strength performance over a period of weeks
Yeah.
or months? And so, yeah, those are your kind of two things you want to look at. Who's being studied? And then, of course, what was the protocol?
Yeah.
Then you look at the protocol. What was the dosing?
Mhm.
Is any of that even relevant to what you're looking at? And then study type. Are we looking at, that's interesting type of short-term response thing? Or are we looking at something that measures a little bit more where the rubber
Mhm.
meets the road?